Today we are talking about how to change the water filter on a Whirlpool refrigerator, specifically model WRS325SDHZ08. So here is a replacement filter you can pick up at Home Depot, Lowe's, etc. Just a quick disclaimer. This video is not a paid promotion for any vendor, make, model, or product you see in this video. This is a model EDR1RXD1, and at the time of this recording you can buy it for right around $59. The manufacturer claims it will last up to 6 months. However, that also depends on how many gallons of water you're running through this filter, and how hard your water is. Do you have high mineral content, high sediment content, etc. So here's the fridge, again made by Whirlpool. And to order your filter, look up the make and model and serial number inside the fridge. And usually on a sticker inside right here, and you see there on the bottom it says model number. So that's what you would look up on Google, for example, to find what filter fits your fridge. So on this model, the filter is down here behind this little cover. Open the cover, the old filter pops out. You don't even have to turn the water off to the fridge.
Wow.
So pretty easy. You can see inside there how it attaches in the back. Let's open the new one. Take the little plastic purple cap off. Don't damage those O-rings. And pay attention to the orientation. Make sure the new one gets installed the same way that you took the old one out. You can see the arrow, line up that purple arrow with the pink arrow. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. And then push that little access door closed till it latches shut. And you're good to go.
Woo!
Next thing we need to do is reset that water filter indicator light. Press and hold these two buttons for 3 seconds. And the light goes off, resets the timer. We'll grab a bucket, and now we want to dispense water, I'd say at least a half a gallon or so, and let it purge out all the air, all the carbon fiber dust from the new filter, etc. So it's just getting rid of all the air out of the system. And this is a best practice for any time you change a water filter on any refrigerator, is you always want to purge, at least about a half a gallon or so of water before you actually start using that water. And again, to reset that filter indicator light, press and hold both the light and ice type buttons. And we'll simply just dump this water out in the sink. I hope this information helped. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.